Hey everyone, welcome back to Mani Maker. If your Cricut Maker 4 has been acting a bit off, don't worry, it's totally normal and happens to all of us. In today's video, I'll walk you through the easiest way to calibrate your Cricut Maker 4. By the end of this video, your cut should be sharp, clean, and perfectly accurate again. Let's dive in and get it fixed. Alright, so first, go ahead and open your Design Space app. Now, look at the top right corner. You'll see a little drop down arrow right there. Just click on that. Okay, now from that drop down menu, click on Settings. Move on. Once the Settings window pops up, you'll notice a bunch of tabs at the top. What you need to do is click on the one that says Machines. Alright, now here's where we get into actual calibration. Go to Machines Calibration, then just select your Cricut Maker 4 from the provided list. Then click on the Start button to begin the calibration process. In the next page, you'll see three different options. Simply choose the one that best fits your problem and continue. Now, at this point, it'll prompt you to do a couple of things. You'll need to insert your blade and place a sheet of plain printer paper onto your mat. Once you've got that all set up and ready to go, just click Continue. Okay, so once your machine is all ready, go ahead and press the load button onto your machine. Now, keep an eye on that Go button. When you see it flashing, just hit it and that's what's going to kick off the calibration process for you. Once everything finishes up and your machine is completely done, you'll get a little message on your screen saying calibration is complete. And at that point, all you need to do is click on Close and you're all set. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.